Random and interesting facts about outer space. Hey, did you know that there's a planet that is made entirely of ice? That's probably so cold that it would make your freezer feel like a sauna. The closest star to Earth is 4.22 light years away, meaning if you're traveling at the speed of light, it would take you over 4 years to get there. If you're driving there at 60 miles an hour, it would take you 52 million years to get there. There's a planet where it rains glass sideways. I'm sure umbrella sales are booming. It only takes 8 minutes for sunlight to reach Earth. Did you know that on Venus it rains sulfuric acid? Hey, if you're near a black hole, time actually moves slower. Did you know that the moon has moonquakes, just not as often as Earth has earthquakes? Did you know that astronauts recycle their urine into drinking water? That sounds gross. Mars has the tallest volcano in our solar system. There are over 2,000 active satellites orbiting our Earth. Did you know that radio signals from Earth actually travel through space forever? Indefinitely. How about this? A year on Neptune actually lasts 165 Earth years. The largest known galaxy, named the IC1101, is so big that it could fit 60 of the Milky Way galaxies inside of it. Neutron stars can spin up to 600 times per second. This is interesting. Earth actually dodges about 17 asteroids per day. On the planet of Uranus, the sun actually rises in the west and sets in the east. There are roughly 3,000 defunct satellites orbiting our Earth just as junk at this point. Black holes can devour entire stars. Did you know that there are golf balls left on the moon? This is silly, but did you know that astronaut ice cream is not actually eaten in space? Did you know that just 1 teaspoon of neutron star matter weighs about 1 billion tons? That'd be like picking up a mountain with a tiny little spoon. Stars are actually born from vast clouds of gas and dust. Did you know that astronauts grow lettuce on the International Space Station? Did you know that about 85% of the universe's mass is made up of dark matter? Apollo 16 astronauts actually drove a dune buggy on the moon. Sound cannot travel in space, so it's eerily silent. Talk about a headphone free zone. That's corny, I know. You can actually go to space for about 250,000 US dollars. I guess if you have that kind of money to spend on such a crazy yet fun task. The rings around Saturn are actually made of ice and rock. Sounds to me like a solar system jewelry store. Hey, did you know that astronauts receive chocolate pudding in a toothpaste-like tube? One day on Mars is only about 37 minutes longer than a day on Earth. The different colors that you see in a nebula are due to the different elements that make up that nebula. On the moon, a human could literally do a long jump for miles. Superhuman strength with less gravity. Sound travels faster on Mars than it does on Earth. Hey, did you know that Venus is the only planet that spins clockwise? Have the best day. Take care.